Hello students, let's see the important methods for the preparation of ketones. So from acid chlorides, cyanides or benzene, we can prepare ketones also. So let's see the first method. First method for the preparation of ketone is from acid chloride. So acid chloride is RCOCl. Here we use the reagent R2CD, that is called a dialkyl cadmium, which gives ketone and CdCl2 as the byproduct. So here we need to take 2 molecules of RCOCl and we will get 2 molecules of ketone. So this is one method for the preparation of ketone, that is from acid chloride. So we will write one example, CH3COCl plus CH3 twice CD. This is dimethyl cadmium. Here we will get CH3CO CH3. This is called acetone or propanone. Propanone is the IUPAC name. Plus CdCl2. So 2 CH3COCl reacts with CH3 twice CD gives 2 molecules of propanone and CdCl2. So this is the first reaction for the preparation of ketones from acid chloride. Now let's see the second method, that is from cyanides or nitriles. Here we use the reagent Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is RMGX, we know that. So from cyanides, so RCN plus RMGX. So this is called a Grignard reagent. So in this case we will get an intermediate compound. So intermediate compound first. So this is the intermediate compound. Then which on hydrolysis acid hydrolysis gives R C double bond O R. So this will be a ketone. So hydrolysis will take place here and we will get RCOR. So this is the general equation. We will write an example, CH3 CH2 Cn. So this is an example of a cyanide. It is 1, 2, 3. It is propane nitride. So this is a IUPAC name. Plus here instead of R we can write C6H5MgBr. This is actually phenyl magnesium bromide. This is a Grignard reagent. Here we will get CH3 CH2 C double bond NMgBr, then C6H5. So this is the addition product and this is the intermediate, which on hydrolysis CH3 CH2 C double bond O C6H5. So this is the ketone formed in this case. So let us name this compound. This is the first position, 2, 3. So first position phenyl group. First position phenyl group is attached. So we can write the name as 1 phenyl. So 3 carbon atoms are there. So it will be propanone. So 1 phenyl propanone. So that is the IUPAC name of this particular ketone. So from propane nitrile we will get 1 phenyl propanone. So from cyanides we can prepare ketone. That is the second method. Now let's see the third method, that is from benzene. So from benzene also we can prepare ketone. From benzene on treatment with acyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Actually this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So by Friedel-Crafts acylation we can prepare a ketone, that is COCH3 will be attached here. So COCH3 will be attached here and HCl will be eliminated. So this is a ketone. So by Friedel-Crafts acylation we can prepare a ketone from benzene. So this is called acetophenone. So this ketone is called acetophenone. So we can prepare another ketone from benzene using C6H5COCl. So here acyl chloride is used, acyl chloride. Here we can use benzoyl chloride. So this is benzoyl chloride. So here anhydrous AlCl3 will be there. Here this group will be added, that is COC6H5. So this ketone is called a benzophenone. This is called a benzophenone. So from benzene we can prepare ketone by using acylation, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts acylation we can prepare acetophenone from benzene. So acyl chloride and anhydrous AlCl3. So acyl group will be introduced here. So we will get acetophenone. In the next case we are using benzoyl chloride. So the benzoyl group will be introduced in this case and we will get a ketone that is known as benzophenone. So these are the important methods for the preparation of ketones.